In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Constant Contact with a step-by-step tutorial specifically designed for beginners. If you're new to email marketing, this guide is perfect for you as we break down the process in a simple and straightforward manner to get you started in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to head over to constantcontact.com. Here, you can sign up for an account if you haven't already. The registration process is quite straightforward. Just follow the prompts, enter your details, and you'll be set up in no time. Constant Contact is a great tool for managing email campaigns, and setting up your account is the first crucial step to tapping into its features. Once you're in, it's time to create your first email list. The list will be the foundation of your campaigns as it determines the recipients of your emails. You can add contacts manually if you have a few addresses to manage. Alternatively, if you have a list already prepared, you can import it as a file. Importing can save you a lot of time and streamline the management of your contacts. Now let's get into creating an email campaign. On your dashboard, click on Create and then select Email to start a new campaign. This is where the magic happens. You have the opportunity to interface directly with your audience. Email campaigns are a great way to engage your audience, promote products, and share essential updates. Next, you'll need to choose a design template. Constant Contact offers a variety of templates to fit different styles and purposes. You can select one that fits your brand and message, or if you're feeling creative, you can start from scratch. Picking the right template is important as it helps communicate your message visually. We move on to customizing the email to suit your needs. This step is about personalizing the message with your own text, images, buttons, and links. The interface is user-friendly, and you can easily drag and drop elements to where you want them. Make sure to tailor your content to speak directly to your audience, enhancing the appeal and effectiveness of your email. Before we send it off, it's essential to preview and test your email to ensure everything looks perfect. Check for any typos, confirm that links are correctly directing, and make sure the layout is visually appealing. Testing your email helps catch any errors before it reaches the inboxes of your recipients. Once you're satisfied, click on Continue, select your recipients, and choose whether to schedule to send later or send immediately. Scheduling can be especially useful if you want to target your audience at specific times. Finally, you can track the performance of your campaigns under the Reporting tab. Constant Contact provides insights on open rates, click-throughs, and other key metrics. Monitoring these statistics will help you gauge the success of your campaign and inform future strategies. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to start using Constant Contact for effective email marketing. With practice, you'll find it an invaluable tool in reaching and engaging your audience.